Okay, class. Today is what do you want to be when you grow up? Erica.
I want to be a senator.
Wonderful. Jessica.
I want to be a teacher.
No, you do not. George.
I want to be a superhero, a comic book creator, and a sidekick.
Exciting. And what about you, Zeng? Zeng.
Me. I want to be a superhero.
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 Superhero. Loser.
I'm going to pull up the fire alarm. Yes. I pulled up the fire alarm. Oh no.
Zeng, how dare you pulled up the fire alarm? That's it. You are suspended for 30 weeks.
My real clone, how dare you pulled up the fire alarm. You should be yourself.
But my evil clone. I'm so sorry.
Sorry isn't working this time. You are grounded for 50000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000000